Good morning everyone. So today you meet me behind the wheel of this lovely 520DM Sport. This is one of our regular customers' cars. You'll have to forgive me if I don't look at the camera too much, of course, concentrating on what's in front. So this is George's car. George brings this down, well I say brings it down, has it collected and returned to him once a month with all his interior, exterior cleaned, which is our maintenance detail. We do these for as little as £65, as long as you're in sort of Lymington, Brockenhurst, Boulder, New Milton, within 5 miles of us. Yeah, we do free collect and return, clean your car in and out, drop it all off back to you. As you'll see in a second, we've done you some after clips of the car, how it's come out, just so you can see the quality of the work that's involved there. George often has an extra little bit done every sort of 3 to 6 months. He might have a decontamination wash. He often has synthetic sealant or a wax put on. There's lots of little extras you can do when having a maintenance detail, especially when the weather's turning nice like this and you just want your car to look that extra bit shiny or repel the dirt that bit more. We can definitely help with that. We are going to be setting up a load of summer gloss packages, so if you're interested in making your car really shiny ready for summer, get in touch about a summer gloss package. We can put something together that's bespoke for you, or we do have many set packages as well that you can choose from. Be sure to give Elise a call or text or email. She'll be happy to get you booked in for that. So we'll show you some after shots of the car now while I'm in the process of delivering it back to the customer. And if George is happy, I may get a reveal with him on camera. I would imagine he's not going to be blown away because he's used to this every month, but it gives you an idea on what to expect. So we'll see you when we get there. There we are.
Very nice.
I know you won't be too blown away because you're used to this, aren't you?
Stunning as always. Infinitely custom.
Brilliant. That's what we like to hear.
As good as new, Jay.
As always, inside looks fabulous as well. You see how much shinier it is with the synthetic sealer?
Looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Good as new, Jay.
We put it on the wheels as well.
Kind of that.
In there, everything.
Very nice. Showroom finish, eh?
What you want.
Happy? Very nice. Thank you very much. Always a pleasure, mate. Lovely.